All right, San Juan, Puerto Rico, Old San Juan. Here we are. We're going to start walking through the streets. It is a stormy day and we got kind of a late start because the ship didn't arrive till 2:30. But we're gonna show you some of our favorite spots just walking through here right off the port, and enjoy and follow along. Bustling and bumping here. Puerto Rico a Cristobal Colon. This square right here is very close to the port. Lots of shops and restaurants, and I'm photobombing someone. Well, it's kind of impossible not to photobomb someone because everyone is taking pictures from every directions at all time. But at the top of this square, there's the beginning of the fort. There's usually a little market going on almost every time I've been here, so it's very nice. Just climbing that little hill, we're starting to get to some little side streets of Old San Juan and the San Juan National Historic Site for Castillo San Cristobal. So you can see the castle and the fort go right along here with a little trail even down there along the water. It's a beautiful spot. As you continue along here, we see dog park on the right. Nice place to take dogs out. Basketball court down here. Nice to see people enjoying. These rooftop bar restaurants are definitely quintessential Old San Juan. When we were first here in 2019, we ate in one of those and around sunset dinner time, and it was just absolutely fantastic. Food was great. Taking a little detour that I've been to before to explore La Perla and some art down here. So certainly off the beaten path and definitely not for everyone, but cool little local murally spot right on the water here. Old San Juan. All the art along here. La Perla. And towards the nice fort down there. After just popping out from this path, we are right here. People flying kites, kids rolling down hills, people having all kinds of fun. And you can pay to enter into that, but the grounds are massive and you can also just walk around and explore. And yeah, we're enjoying. Paseo del Morro, Scenic Trail. is the spot we like to go to take our coastal walk, either to the castle fort or from. A bridge! Huzzah! Little snail crab thing spotted along the route. Now we're on the coastal trail. Boat patrol is out and about. Alright, you can see some of the San Juan buildings there as we start to get towards the gate. There's the gate. Rums of Puerto Rico, yeah. It's a nice little vibe right here with the big tree with the icicle lights on it. And as we start to approach back here, there's a little playground for the left. It's really not far from the port. If you have kids, or if you want to just have some fun yourself. This is a nice little stroll under the tree cover, close to the water, close to the port. We're either beginning of this or at the end of it. Luckily still beat the weather, so we're gonna go check it out now. I love these fitness areas, just as a rule of thumb. I think they're so great. Workout. Yeah, let's get some workout in. Compañía del Turismo, Puerto Rico. And you can see we're already almost back to the port. Now we're back surfing the streets, the main streets of Old San Juan. And then here we are again, back where we started this loop, at this square. So I hope you enjoyed that little walking tour of Old San Juan and the information that we're able to enjoy on about an hour and a half is what it took us. And we're gonna enjoy some other times here, but if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much. Please consider giving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with anyone else who might enjoy it or find it helpful. So goodbye for now, and see you in the next one.